Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Why use it when there are other models? Here is the Samsung Galaxy A27 smartphone and revealed fresh updates. The new Samsung Galaxy A27 5G has appeared on the IMEI database. The leak confirms the model's existence, but leaves many questions about its usefulness in the brand's bloated lineup. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Rumors about the upcoming Galaxy A37 and A57 have been flying around for quite some time now, but the Galaxy A27 has somehow been forgotten. The first hints that this device even existed surfaced back in November of last year, and since then, there's been silence. So, you get the idea. Many have begun to wonder if Samsung has completely given up on this model, considering how many they produce. But now, the intrigue has finally been dispelled. A new smartphone has appeared in the GSMA IMEI database. Insiders on social media have shared a supposed IMEI listing for the upcoming Galaxy A27. It does provide model numbers. The international version will be known as SM-A276BDS, while the US variant will be designated SM-A276U. To succeed, the Galaxy A27 will have to find a way to stand out, whether through a surprisingly affordable price or impressive specs. But for now, it remains to be seen whether the market really needs this smartphone. The device hasn't yet appeared in benchmarks like Geekbench 6, so the Galaxy A27 is still shrouded in mystery. What does this leak tell us? It essentially puts an end to the "is it cancelled or not" drama. Apparently, Samsung hasn't changed its plans, and the next Galaxy A series device is expected to launch sometime in 2026. While those awaiting the Galaxy A27 will have to be patient, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 appear to be already in the pipeline. Google console listings for both devices were recently spotted online. But, before all this, Samsung is going to launch its most powerful flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, with massive features, design changes, and upgrades. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.